Hey guys, ever felt the urgent need to make money fast? Maybe it's to cover a sudden expense, pay off some bills, or just have extra cash in your pocket. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share practical ways on how to make money fast. Let's dive in with some quick online ways to make money fast. First up, freelancing. Whether you're skilled at writing, designing, or coding, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are your best friends. You can land gigs and get paid as soon as the job is done. Another option is taking online surveys on sites like Swagbucks. It's simple, and you can do it while watching TV. If you have things lying around that you don't need, consider selling those items online. List them on eBay or Facebook Marketplace and make cash fast. And don't forget about being a delivery driver with apps like DoorDash. You can earn money while delivering meals. Next, let's talk about opportunities that can help you earn quickly by leveraging your space or time. If you have an extra room or parking space, renting it out on Airbnb is a fantastic way to make a few extra bucks. Prefer working from home? Consider tutoring or teaching English online on sites like VIP Kid, especially if you excel in a subject. Affiliate marketing is another win if you have a social media presence. Promote products and earn a commission on each sale. For animal lovers, pet sitting or dog walking through the site Rover is both fun and profitable. Another great way to earn fast is by becoming a virtual assistant. You can manage emails or handle social media for busy professionals. It's easy money if you're organized. And if you enjoy sharing your opinion, maybe join market research studies or paid focus groups. You'd be surprised on how much companies can pay to hear your thoughts. Now, are you into thrifting? Try online selling. Find bargains at thrift stores and resell them on eBay. You can also make money as a content creator, whether starting a video or blogging, where ad revenues and sponsorships can bring in some serious cash. If you own a car, think twice about renting it out on platforms like Turo. Or if you're handy, offer lawn care or handyman services in your neighborhood. These gigs pay well, especially in your local community. For people good with kids, babysitting is always a fast way to make money, especially when the parents are in a pinch. Love photography? Start selling your images as stock photography on Shutterstock. Rounding out the list, there are more unique ways to make money fast. You can sell digital products like ebooks or printables on Etsy or Gumroad if you're creative. Have you ever thought about joining medical studies? Many clinics pay participants well for research. Another simple but effective option is doing odd jobs on TaskRabbit. You can get paid for helping with moving, assembling furniture, or even running errands. These gigs offer instant payment, perfect for when you need cash quickly.